Hi friends, in this problem we have 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7 plus 5 into 9 up to 11 terms. Right, we can see here 1 we can read it as 1 into 1. Basically we have the first term is multiplication of two numbers, right? The first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, first number is first and natural numbers. What is the second number? Second number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is first n odd numbers. Basically multiplication of first and natural numbers and first and odd numbers. Right. So what is our T-rth term? T-rth term, we can say it is r into 2r minus 1. Right. Because you can see the first term in this product is 1, 2, 3, 4. So rth term will be r. Right. And r term will also be multiplication of two numbers. Of course, the first one will be r. Then the second term will be 1, 3, 5, 7. So second term will be 2r minus 1. So for example, if it is fourth term, in the fourth term, first one will be 4. 7 is 2r minus 4. 2 4 is 8 minus 1. Right. It is the fourth odd number. First odd number is 1, second odd number is 3, third is 5, fourth is 7. Third odd number is 3 into 2 minus 1. Similarly, r third number is 2 into r minus 1. So what is the rth term is 2r into 2r minus 1, which is equal to 2r square minus r. We have to do the sum of this tr for 11 terms from 1 to 11. Right, that is the problem. 1 to 11 tr, which is equal to sigma of sum of 1 to 11 2r square minus sum of 1 to 11 r. We know sum of n square, first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, 6. Sum of first n natural numbers. This is n square, sum of squares of first n natural numbers is this. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this we can write it as 2 times. Here, what is n? N is 11, right? We are doing sum till 11. So 11 into 11 plus 1, 12 into 2 times 11 plus 1, 22 plus 1, 23 by 6. Right, minus 11 into 12 by 2. Right. So this we can further simplify. For example, 3 will go 4 times here and 2 will be left. That 2 and this 2 we can cancel. 11 into 4 into 23 minus 11 into 6. This 2 it can go 6 times. Right. Now we can take 11 common and 4 into 23 minus 6. That is 92 minus 6. 11 into 11 we can take common. 4 into 23 is 92 minus 6, which is 86. 11 into 86, which is equal to 946. Basically, the sum of this series is 946. Very simple. Only trick here is, only ability here is to be able to identify what is the T-rth term and remember these two formulas. We have already derived these two formulas, why it is n into n plus 1 by 2 or why it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. In other set of videos, we have already derived. Please comment why it is so. Please comment about the derivation. Otherwise, please go through those videos to understand the derivation. Thank you guys.